we're gonna put on a siding when we put them wires up. So he gave us all that. Plus two.
This pick of the week is Clever Little Engine, Ivo Hughes series. This is made by Terra55 Stepney, and it goes through the story of Ivo Hughes trying to fit in on the Skarloey Railroad. And it's 4 episodes with multiple behind the scenes and how that he made all the models and stuff. And I enjoyed it. I hope you do too. If you do, go and watch it. And the next video I will be doing will either be the Acrocraft Ruby review or the Diamond Head Steam Up in Mississippi. If the Acrocraft Ruby gets to me before the Diamond Head Steam Up, which is this weekend, I'll do the review of that and then the Steam Up. But I'll just let y'all know in a community post what happens first. Alright, hope you have a good week. Bye.